Is that who's making the noise? The dog? Or, no, it's Bootsy.
No. Oh, the breathing?
Yeah.
That's Bootsy.
Yeah.
But Lucy likes it because it massages her. What do you think? Huh? Oh, yay! Hooray!
Yeah, I like that.
It's your present.
I like.
You like it?
I like it.
Okay, that's present number 1. Whoa.
All right, yay! All right, who does number 2? Thank you very much. I'm just
Who
gonna...
does number 2? Zoe.
Zoe gets number 2. Okay.